Now that you know more about your topic, you can begin to form an effective search statement so you can find research materials in academic databases. In a Google search, we often type in whole phrases to find what we're looking for. Wow, so many results can be overwhelming. Rest assured there is a better way to find useful research materials. In an academic database, we use search techniques appropriate to the database to retrieve relevant materials. By mastering a few basic searching skills, you will be able to form a search statement to retrieve the best articles on your topic. Use the right keywords. Identify the key concepts or main points in your topic. Next, put down synonyms for each of the concepts. Synonyms are gathered from your background reading. Look over the words and enclose phrases, words you want to keep together, in quotation marks. Next, use truncation, cutting off a word to its root and adding a symbol to automatically retrieve all endings of the word. The truncation symbol in most databases is an asterisk. Truncating network will broaden your search to networks and networking. Be careful not to truncate a word too soon. If you want to search for articles on networking and you truncate to net, you'll pull up netbooks, Netflix, Netiquette, Netscape, and other unrelated terms. We can apply truncation to several words. Use the wildcard symbol, usually a question mark, to substitute for one letter. For example, this search will get woman and women. Use connectors correctly. Boolean operators are used to combine your search words so the database understands what you are looking for. The most common connectors are and, or, and not. And. Use and to indicate that all words must appear in each result. The more words you combine with and, the more specific your results. Or. Use this connector to find either word. The more words you combine with or, the larger the number of results will be. Not. Use this connector to exclude undesired terms. Grouping or nesting in parentheses. Most searches use both the and or connectors. When searching with both and or, you must use parentheses to indicate the order of your search. Grouping or nesting or words in parentheses indicate that the database should search the or words before finding the results which include the and words. Here is the search statement applying all of the skills we have shown. If the database you are using has only one search box, enter the search using the parentheses. Remember, if you don't use parentheses, the search will retrieve skewed, irrelevant results. If the database has an advanced search, enter the or searches in separate boxes and use the and connector between the boxes, like this. Using multiple search boxes will help you keep concepts separate. You can easily add additional words or remove unwanted ones. As you can see, entering search statements correctly can greatly impact your search results. Although the punctuation for truncation and phrase searching may change from database to database, and, or, and nesting are used in all databases. Use database help screens before using a new database. As always, don't hesitate to contact a librarian through text, IM, email, phone, or in person if you are having difficulty formatting your search statement.